Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where the bubbles are for week 2 of the store visiting riddle in Heartopia. Riddles, I should say there's 2 riddles. So it is for the Modular Streets Festival. So let's view the first one. Here we have to click on it, and then it says Riddle Dream Renovator. Press the light bulb, and it says Bob drops by the brick store hoping to pick up some tips for renovating his furniture store, but the owner seems confused. He ends up taking a quick look around and leaves. I think it will be near Bob's furniture shop. So let's go there and we will see if the bubble is there. Am I going the right way? Yes, I am. And you'll see the bubble floating around. I don't know how to get there, but let's try going up this umbrella and then here maybe. Wait, where's the bubble? Oh, then we're going to jump. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, I got it. You have to jump here and then go up the I don't know what this is called. And let's view the second riddle. Oops. So, view riddle, artistic souvenir. On the corner of Art Street, someone just came out of the brick store with bags stuffed full. So let's go to Art Street. So it's located near where Azour is. So it's going to be right around this area, and you'll see the bubble up here. So I think I have to go on the lamppost. So let me grab a car. I think I need a taller car, to be honest. Let's see if this works. Oops. Can I even go on this lamppost? Why is it so okay? I think I can just jump. Let me just put this car here and then wait for it to go closer. And then there we go. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.